we're back at our home in Verdana Village. Just kind of taking a look at the last update to the property. We got now fully all the mechanicals are done, the plumbing and the HVAC. Kind of give you an idea what we have here. So all the plumbing's done. Clearly that was in the slab, but these, all these water lines are all put in. The tubs are all installed. All the lines are in. And also they're testing the tubs. There's no leaks. There was one minor issue with one of our drains. One of our clients from New York actually spotted out. He's a master plumber in Queens, and literally this is what he saw here. The slope, if you kind of see here, the stack is higher than this point here, so it's going to have some sort of like a lull period, like a gully. So what we're going to do is this is all going to be corrected, and I don't know if they're going to just redo the whole area here, like the Ys and whatever this all is, and then lower the stack, or one or the other. They're going to have that corrected. But that's the good thing about having a construction manager, where we can relay these messages and things get fixed. Because obviously we don't want any backup with drains and that. This is our wine bar. I thought we had a sink, but this doesn't come with a sink. I was just mistaken with these lines. We're going up to the HVAC actually. Here, let's keep it going. So we did the built-ins, but we did the double oven. So this is what this orange line is here. Again, why the second oven? We're Italian. I mean, we're going to be cooking. So especially if we have guests over, if you're even just for Thanksgiving and whatnot, you're going to have a turkey in the oven. You're going to be doing some other stuff, maybe a rabbit in the other oven. So that's why we did double oven. So it is raining in Florida. I haven't seen rain in like 3 months. But it's all good. It's still pretty. Go figure, my mother-in-law is flying in today. She's been seeing this weather for the last 4 months, and she's going to continue seeing it. It's not always the greatest experience in Florida, but all good. Our pool bath, all done. Yeah. So if you see all the HVAC's been ran too. I mean, this was a big job. There was one guy doing this all, but this is a lot of work. I think this was the most work for any of the mechanical companies here, between plumbing and electrical. Yeah, really big. I'll show you on the upstairs level. There's just, if you kind of see here. And this is the conversion boxes. Obviously, it's almost like a manifold, where the supply will come in there and kind of get diverted to these other lines throughout the house. Watch upstairs, quite wild. And I like this. So this is just like a diffuser of air. So it's got nothing connected to anything. It's just basically an open line in the hallway and into the primary bedroom. So it's just obviously to move around air, keep the air fresh. And you kind of see the multitude of different lines flowing through this house. Really cool. All the sinks are installed, toilets roughed in, pancakes for the overhead lighting there over the sinks. This is our shower. So yeah, we got the upgraded shower with the, I guess, with the sprayers and whatnot. Forgot how that was. Huge win here. This is going to be, remember in the last video I mentioned I want to put a steam shower here, and thinking of running a line. I'm lucky that our construction manager helped me out with this. So it's a 220 amp line that's going in there, or 220 amp line that's going in there. So ultimately I can put a steam shower in here. So this is going to happen sooner than later. People ask, why do you need a steam shower in Florida? For health purposes, naturally. But look at this multitude of lines. If you kind of see this one's huge. This is literally, the roof trusses are about 2 feet on center. This is basically fills the whole gap. And this is just obviously a movement of air, and from the hallway into the mechanical room. 2 HVAC systems here, and that's pretty much it. This is another run. I don't know what that's connected to. Laundry sink, we didn't do all the cabinets here. We're going to get that installed later. This is obviously our networking box here. As Mark at Pulte mentioned, it's the home run box. Basically, all the runs to the house, all our Cat 6 and networking cables are all run into that box. Yeah, really cool. So the tubs are all filled up. Obviously, want to make sure they're not leaking. But very happy with our construction manager. He's amazing. Very good eye for detail. This wasn't installed last time. They just installed it, the backing for this room here, my daughter's room. That's it, guys. If you have any questions regarding houses here in Verdana Village, you're always looking to buy, want to get more information, please feel free to reach out. We can definitely get you more information on the available products. We did another deal today from our good clients from New York, and excited for them because they're going to be neighbors. I can actually see them through my master bedroom window where they're going to be moved. And to be honest, they bought an amazing lot. I think one of the best lakes in the community. It probably is the best lake because it is 9 acres and it's the most unobstructed view, and it's a south exposure. So even in the future, if it's for resale value, it's going to be one of the most desirable streets to be on. I'm glad they picked it up. And again, we got a great sales staff there. Mark helped us out on the other end of that to get them, the best deal that we can get them. And ultimately, that's it. We wrapped it up and go from there. But have a great day, guys. If you have any questions, please reach out.